Today, we will be demonstrating a newborn legs out front carry in a beautiful Aloha Light Eco Silk. You will notice that because of the quadruple folded shoulder on Aloha Light slings, the fabric is folded. Begin by placing the rings over one shoulder. Bring the fabric flat across your back with the fold opening up toward the sky, then let it fall open below your arm along your side. Bring the tail fabric together to prepare to thread it through the rings. Now pull the tail fabric through both rings. You'll notice that the non-shiny hemp side of the tail should now be facing out away from your body. Next, spread the rings apart. Pull the fabric over the top ring and below the lower ring in order to create a lock. Now, in the space between the upper and lower ring, use your thumbs to spread the fabric open from one rail or hem to the other to ensure that there is no bunching or twisting. This will help when it comes time to adjust the sling around baby. Now pull the fabric through the lower ring in order to lock it in place. Take a moment to make sure that your rings are positioned properly. They should be at corsage height, which is more or less at your armpit level. You should now have a small pocket of fabric across your chest in which you will place baby. For purposes of this video, we will be using a 5-week-old who weighs approximately 9.5 pounds. While maintaining a secure hold on baby at all times, lower him into the pocket that you just created with the sling fabric. Reach between you and baby and pull the fabric up between baby's legs to create a seat like a hammock. Create a taut straight line by taking the edge of the fabric from behind one knee to the other, then between you. Now spread the fabric up over his back and just to the nape of his neck and not any higher. Now tighten the sling by pulling the excess fabric through the rings in small motions across baby's back in thirds, the top third, the center third, and the bottom third. If there's still any slack remaining, simply repeat these small adjustments. Notice baby's final position in the sling. He has a nice deep seat, his knees are higher than his bottom, and he's close enough to kiss. If you have questions, please visit us online.